Hi, I'm Jan Jensen. I'm here at the Iowa Gold Star Military Museum, and I'm going to show you how to make a real quick wing catcher for you and your kids to have some fun. This can be done several different ways, and all you need are paper plates, some purchased stars, or if you want to cut your own, a hole punch, and a piece of string. And what we do is I got these pretty printed plates, and you can use plain white paper if you want, and have your kids take paint and draw stripes across or whatever they want on there. And then what I did, I took a pencil and it came around here, and I just drew around in a spiral around like so. Drew a spiral on the back, and then you can let the kids have it and cut with the little scissors. The little paper scissors will cut it, and they can cut along a mountain line. And then when it's all done, you take the top piece and bend it up. This is the top of the spiral, and we're going to bend this up and punch a hole in it. And then I took the string that was on the star and put through that hole to hold the star on. And then to hang it up, I poked another hole in the star opposite at the point and put a piece of string through there, and that's all there is to it. And then you hang it up like so. One suggestion was made that they could paint green and it would look like a little Christmas tree. And then you could decorate it even if you wanted for the holidays. But when it's outside, it'll swirl and twirl in the wind. And it's a fun thing for kids to do because they can do most of this project by themselves, except maybe for the tying.